Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with DK sir. Once again, I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. So I hope everybody doing fine. So today's session we are going to discuss about the set. Like in previous video we already discussed about the list, tuple and set. Okay. So tuple we already done this. In tuple we have go for the Boolean function. First finish the Boolean function. After that we go for the set. So building function in that same, like suppose I make a list for tuple for the number, right? Here I take some number like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, any particular one. You make sure you have to give the proper space. Okay. Then I simple print. So building function like sum, max, mean you're going for, like I take it sum, and we have to pass the variable num. Run this. So you make a list of the total of the list. Again same way we go for the maximum. So place of sum we change the maximum max function. So in this, as you can see, in the tuple we have 5 is the maximum value, right? So this is where you can add number of, again I just took it here like minimum is 1, and here I will take the length len function. So as you can see here, total is 5. Here you can also use the slicing, like I told you how to work on the slices here. So very simple example, suppose if we talk about the even tuple here. So slice always return the range of the character. I already taught in previous video also. Like here given like a 1 colon 2. So you will see 1 to 2 is also taking n minus 1. So 2 how long it will take? So see 0 1. 1 who puja n minus 1. Suppose I take from 0. You can see here. So as you can see 0 who aman 1 puja, so see 2, so n minus 1, you're also taking n minus 1. Okay, so this is where you can do the slicing for this. Okay, you can go for the number also. If I want looking for the number, so I simply paint here like num, and I want to do the slices here 1 0 column 1, so you can say 0 1 who 1 printed. So how many number will take it? It will return all this. Okay. Now we just move for the set. So what is set basically? Why we are going to work on that? So set somehow mutable and somehow immutable. Okay. So set syntax, how to create set in Python programming. Okay. So set basically syntax for the syntax of this. So curly braces we have to use in the set. Okay. So what is the rules of the set? Set always taking the value in random order. I mean, set not follow the index number. It's always taking the random order values. Okay, it's not follow the sequence. It will always generate the value in the random order. So I have to make a list of the set. Okay, just make elements for the set, and that element always coming in the random order. So let's see. So let's create a set in Python. Okay. So let's take a variable like set 1 equals to curly braces. Here I want to just take, just because of time, I just copy this list and I just paste it. Okay, I simply paste it here, guys, and I will simply print, and I put my variable set 1. Run this. So see, Aman is the first, but who coming first in the set? Prince. So did you see is always print the list of the element in the random order. Did you see here? Okay. Same way I want to check the type. So obviously it will tell you the type of which data type is it. So set. Again, I want to check the length of this alien. See how many? Four of them. Now I want to check index number. Let's do the wrong. Obviously, I told you solve it taking value random order. Sorry. Let's see the error. Set object is not subscriptable. See. So as I told you, always taking value random order. That's why it's not supporting the index number. Because every time value generate the random orders. Okay, guys. So this is way you can cross check because error confirmation is very important once you are doing any program. Is if any parameters or any specific function not supporting with this any particular list, tuple, set or dictionary, so why it is not supporting, you should know about it. Okay. So next, let's check this. I want to add more cells, shift enter. Now I run this. Same as we make a set for the numbers also, any particular. Now I want to add here set one dot pop. Let's check the error. So did you see pop delete the element? Which element? As you can see, Aman, Subham, so delete two prints. So pop delete the random element. Let me write the comment here. How to use pop method using set. Okay. So it's always delete the random element from the list. Suppose I given any specific index number, so obviously it will not work because I told you it's always taking random order. Run this. See, set pop takes no argument. I given one. Did you see here, guys? So error is really very important. You should know how to read the error. Okay, why error is coming? What the reason behind it? So same way I want to use here like append. Let's see the error. Append. I want to write something here. Like I given here like Amit. See the error. Set object has no attribute append. Same way if you want to insert, you can check for insert as well. Like you list use insert for a specific index number, you can insert the value. See same thing. So this is where you can cross check. Now I want to use remove. So here I given like puja. So you can see that particular element going to be deleted which I need to find. Even del will also not work here because del also supporting with the index number. Okay. Now we go for the boolean function for this also. Even try it for slicing. Slicing will also not going to work because slicing also taking that number with a square bracket index number like I given 0 colon 2. So you can see here set object not subscriptable. So it will also not going to work. Now I'm going for the built-in functions maximum. See, built-in functions are maximum, minimum, len. This is a common in list, tuple, set, in dictionary as well. So here I want to again I take it num equals to curly braces 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 print num, so you can see printed, but I want to add sum function inside, so I will make a sum of this list 21. Again I will check here, same way go for the max, so it will out maximum element 6 is here. Same way I go for the minimum. Okay, min, run this, so minimum is 1. Same way I want to check the len, alien. Okay, so how many of them? 6 of them. Okay guys, so this is where you can apply for this also. Okay. So I hope you guys understood. In next session we are going to discuss about the dictionaries. Okay, dictionary is also really very important. Okay, so we going to next session we discuss about the dictionary in detail. After that we are going to discuss the interview question based on the list, tuple, set, and dictionary. What are the different kinds of question asking in the interviews? What is the question patterns? After dictionary, we are going to discuss. Okay, guys. So thank you so much. Then see you in next session. Okay, guys. Take care of you.